Section 3. You'll hear two students named Rick and Nina discussing about selective courses. First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 26. Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 26. Hey Nina, have you chosen a selective course yet?
Not really, Rick. I haven't made up my mind yet. What about you?
Me either. We have to decide as soon as possible though.
Why? Today's not the final day for choosing selective courses, is it?
No, but they will be booked up very soon. Actually, some courses are already full.
Really? That's too bad. Well, I was thinking of taking a language course. What do you think?
Yes, you can do that. You can choose all courses on the school website except mathematics, since it's a required course for all students. By the way, I think business course is a good choice.
Yeah, it's not bad. I think it's going to be quite helpful after we graduate.
I think so. Guess what? I wanted to choose information statistics.
Why?
It's related to our major, so I think it's very useful for us. I mean, we will have an advantage in job hunting. But the bad thing is, it's in the morning, so we have to skip other classes in order to take it.
That's not good. We need to find an alternative that is more convenient for us.
I know, it's a shame. Nina, I think we need to get to know the courses more before choosing them. Otherwise, we may end up studying something that's either boring or useless.
You are right. Maybe we can look online to see if there's information about it. We could also ask our parents for advice.
I don't think that's going to help much. People have all kinds of opinions online. We wouldn't know which one to listen to. And our parents probably don't know much about our field. I think the best way is asking the former students who have taken the class themselves. They can tell us how they thought about it from their own experience.
Oh, yes, they know it better than anyone, just like how much we know the art design class.
Yes, before we took it last year, many people said on the internet that it was quite confusing, but it turned out to be quite easy and helpful, right?
It didn't let us down. I definitely value the course. Design is an important skill in today's world. Well, whatever course we want to choose, there are still things I need to figure out.
What do you mean? Do you mean things like the time of the courses?
Since it's the first time we can choose selective courses, I need to know how to register. I think there will be instruction on our school website for registration. I'll let you know.
You are so considerate, Nina. I think that's necessary. We need to make sure we can register as soon as we make up our mind. Before you hear the rest of the discussion, you have some time to look at questions 27 to 30. Now listen and answer questions 27 to 30.
The courses we studied last semester were quite interesting. Maybe we could get some inspiration from those courses. Do you think so?
Well, yeah, some of them were quite fun for me, such as metallurgy, though there were quite a lot of terms to remember.
But there's also a lot of useful information about it on the internet, which made things easier.
That's right, I can refer to many things when I was working on the paper.
And the professor in fluid mechanics was really patient. His explanation was crystal clear, so students had no difficulty understanding it.
Yes, that's true. I was good at this course. What do you think of computing?
I think it was kind of boring in the beginning. Do you think so?
That's exactly how I felt. There are a lot of numbers to deal with, but thankfully it got more interesting when the course went on.
Right. Because later we could relate the theories to real life examples.
Exactly. Another course that I think was really practical is energy economy.
Oh, yes. There were a lot of practical works in the course. What we learned can come in handy in our future jobs.
We should make the decision based on our own experience and preference.
Yeah. Anyway, we really need to hurry up.
I'm sure we can reach a conclusion today. That is the end of section 3. You now have half a minute to check your answers.